My name is Thomas Vidal. I'm the director of the intensive cardiac rehab here in Lafayette. I help manage the operation and the day-to-day. The rehab is basically built to help patients recover after they've had a heart procedure or surgery, and basically monitor them to make sure there's no medical setbacks or complications, maybe post-surgery that can happen, to kind of prevent them from having to go back into the hospital, as well as help them recover overall. So help them get back to their daily activities, help them learn some of the lifestyle habits and things that contributed to their surgery or maybe contributed to their heart disease, and hopefully teach them things that can help change that in the future and improve their quality of life. I enjoy when patients come to me and tell me about how much they've improved in the program, or how much better they feel compared to when they first came in, whether it be patients who are just finishing or even our graduates who have come back for the last 3 months to a year, and they continue to say that they enjoy the program so much and they enjoy everything that it helped them achieve and all the ways that they feel and everything that they learned while they were here. Just that constant feedback of patients getting better is so rewarding and so fulfilling for us.